Imagine you have been hired by one of the biggest mobile devices producers, like Samsung or Apple. This is your first day at work as a data analyst. Your company is working on the creation of the new system that allows consumers to pay for the products with the mobile devices.
To complete planning process, your boss needs to know why people use mobile devices for buying products. He gives you the task to explain this behavior of consumers using data analysis and statistical methods. Sounds difficult? No worries. In this course you will learn data analysis and statistics the fun way with this real-world mobile shopping case study. We will cover all stages of data analysis process and the most important statistics. You will know how to plan your project, where to find the necessary information, how to collect data, how to prepare data for the analysis, how to analyze data, how to draw conclusions, and how to use and monetize your results. All of that in over 7 hours of content and over 70 high-quality lessons. You will have access to exercises, quizzes, and multiple priceless download materials such as templates and datasets. Complete package to make you an effective data analyst. This is the data analysis and statistics course you've been waiting for. Practical, easy to understand, straight to the point.
Aim of this course is to give you general proficiency in data analysis and statistics fields. Concepts that you will learn will be applicable in many different methods and projects. You will become versatile data analyst, able to provide extremely useful insights.
I will show you also situations when something goes wrong. We will cover things to avoid, possible mistakes, and struggles. We will walk through the whole data analysis process together, each stage, from beginning to the end, step by step, from project planning until the project is completed. I promise no complicated equations and no difficult words. I have one goal in mind. I want to give you all the necessary data analysis and statistical skills and knowledge presented as simple as possible. Are you ready? Sign up today and let's start our adventure!